Where should we hide Superman next? Right here? Oh, the middle. You think he can... Oh, no!
Jasper.
Jasper's flying his Superman. The Superman, where's Superman going? Whoa. Let him hang there. Oh, no! Superman, are you okay? Alright, hang in there. Ha 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 ha. The wind hasn't scared me. There he is. What is he doing there? Just sitting on a tree? I found you, Superman. You've been hiding here this whole time. What? Superman, what are you doing here? I'm just hanging out. Look at this wind. It doesn't take me down. I'm too strong. Look like Superman is hanging in there. Even oh no! Superman, are you okay?
The wheel came down.
Oh, it's raining hard. And it's hanging on tight. It's okay, Superman. We're gonna get you. Oh. Here you go. Superman is hiding here. Who's he hiding here with? It's the ladybug. Hey there, ladybug. Are you hiding here with the ladybug? Whoa. Look at this. Superman is hiding right here with the ladybug. Sneaky. Where should we hide Superman next? Right here? Oh, the middle. And oh no! Uh-oh. Let's see. He's in the desert now. All this dead desert. I see his armor. Right there. Take his armor up. Let him wear it. Oh, broke his leg. Oh no, we gotta fix his leg.
It's okay.
Wanna go find his leg now?
Yeah.
Let's see. I see it. It's here. Uh-oh. I found his leg. We gotta put it together. Jasper is hiding all of Superman's parts. Is that his... That was his left leg. I'm missing my left leg. Okay, let's help him find it. Alright, let's help Superman find his left leg. Jasper, dig. There it is.
Oh no.
Oh, let's put it back. You know how to do it?
No.
Here. Let's put it back. Don't worry, we'll put it back for you. There. It's back.